This is the Ring solar panel. I've got it set up on the fence right here right now, but the cable length on this is about 13 feet. I've got it run over here to the back of my Ring spotlight camera. I think they actually have an extender that you can extend this a little bit longer, but I've got two of these panels, one for the front, one for the back. They are about 5 by 7, maybe a ½ inch wide. You got two mounting screws right here on here so you can mount it to the side of the house if you want, which I had done. These things work great in the summertime when there's a lot of sun, but in the wintertime, I'm experimenting with a little bit to move it into the sun. So I've got this big cedar tree here, and the sun actually comes over this way. When I had it on the wall right there, it was being blocked out most of the time. And I've had these for about 2 years. They work great as far as I'm concerned. I've got two batteries in my spotlight camera. It keeps them charged to a certain extent, and obviously when it's colder out, you're going to lose the charge faster than you would in the summertime. And there's not as much sunshine in the winter to replenish the batteries. And I'm really happy with the way these solar panels work. I didn't expect it to be perfect, but it's actually pretty good. I like it. The Ring solar panel.